sequence of events. The sequence of the events is the order of the events in a story. The sequence of events refers to the chronological arrangement of the events with a narrative. There are clue words in every story that can help you figure out the sequence of the order. First, next, then, and last. Those are transition words or signal words. The first is to begin. In the beginning, it all began, to start with, or one day. Next, it can be secondly, afterwards, after a while, later that day, and suddenly. Those are the signal words for the word next. For the signal word then, it can be also, additionally, all of a sudden, and the next day. For the signal word last, it can be at last, finally, eventually, and in conclusion. For example, a boy pours cereal into a bowl. The boy adds strawberries to the bowl. The boy pours milk into the bowl from a pitcher. The boy is surprised to find an egg inside the bowl. Let's sequence the story. What happens first? A boy pours cereal into a bowl. Next, the boy adds strawberries to the bowl. Then, the boy pours milk into the bowl from a pitcher. Last, the boy is surprised to find an egg inside the bowl. Let's have another example. A broken vase. A boy is sitting at a table, admiring a pretty flower in a vase. The vase falls over and surprises the boy. The vase is broken. The boy cleans up the pieces and the flower. Let's sequence it again. First, a boy is sitting at the table, admiring a pretty flower in a vase. Next, the vase falls over and surprises the boy. Third, the vase is broken. Last, the boy cleans up the pieces and the flower. So those are the example of sequencing of events. Let's try again an example on the board. Thank you for watching.